Hi, my name is Gleb, and I will show you how to use our bioinformatics web tool ARGEOS. ARGEOS is a web tool for systematic search of publicly available datasets. It takes the keywords for search and gives you a table with information about datasets found in Geo and ArrayExpress databases. Let's take a closer look at how to use our service. This is ARGEOS homepage. Let's go to Start Search section. Here is a request form. In the field Your Request, you can enter keywords. ARGEOS will search for exact keywords matching. ARGEOS can set multiple requests. If you are interested in a specific organism, you may consider specifying it in the field Organism. Let us consider an example. I am interested in the M1 and M2 polarization of macrophages. Let's make a request M1, M2 polarization macrophages. But some records can be devoted only to M1 or M2 polarization. So I'll add two more queries, M1 macrophages and M2 macrophages. Let's add a fourth query, polarization macrophages, in which we specify an organism. Let it be mus musculus. For convenience, I will indicate my email. Let's start our search. ARGEOS has formed a unique ID. If you have not listed your email, make sure to copy the ID so you could have access to results later. Now, ARGEOS has completed the first stage of its search. This table represents the number of findings for each request. Note that a more complex query yielded fewer finds. Also, it should be noticed that fewer entries were found in ArrayExpress. The point is that the records in ArrayExpress and Geo overlap, and this overlap ARGEOS looks in Geo. Let's continue our analysis. It may take some time. The analysis has ended, and now we have a link to download the final file. Let's download it and open the spreadsheet. The table contains detailed information about the unique datasets found. The following fields are presented in the table: record ID, organism, experiment type. For example, they may be transcriptome data obtained by arrays, RNA sequencing, CHIP-seq experiments, methylation analysis, and many others. Note that if one dataset contains more than one type of experiment or organism, ARGEOS will split it into several rows. This function can be turned off by a checkbox before submitting. The title, date, and summary of the record are also indicated. If you need to open the record itself directly in Geo or ArrayExpress, there is a specific column with links. Next is a block dedicated to the article that cites the record. More information is given about the article with the highest impact factor. And last but not least, all the protocols are listed in the last column. This is how ARGEOS works. I hope this video was helpful and have a nice day.